been talking about the importance of substrates and wide format printing. Why not bring the expert in? We're talking to Angel Giorgio. Angel, why don't you tell everybody what you do around here, and then let's talk about some of the cool things that can go in your presses.
At Canon, we offer two different technologies. We have what we consider classic UV printing on the Arizonas. We also have the UV gel technology, which is the new technology for Colorado. 64-inch width printing. The difference in the two machines is that we have expanded our application range and been able to print now on lots of different substrates, right? From metal and glass and all different kinds of woods on actual items, tables, floor mats, different kinds of things like that, odd things and doors on an Arizona, to now we can print on thin films. Because we don't use any heat, that technology allows us to really give unbelievably high quality prints at a very high rate of speed, at a very low cost, with a bunch of different items on it. So we have everything from paper to canvas, to a fabric, to wall coverings that are unsurpassed by anybody else in the industry. So we've got all the good things here. So the one big thing about any of the graphics now, wide format graphics, the biggest benefit I see from being in this business so long is that you're able to offer your customer the chance of change without costing them a lot of money.
Talking to John Kaufman here in the Customer Experience Center in Chicago. Let's talk about the Colorado and all the really cool applications that can be created with that technology.
The Colorado 1640, just to kind of give you some idea of what it is, it's really a 64-inch roll-to-roll printer. What's unique about the market, when you think of traditional wide format printing, you think of the big dots and you have to stand away like banners, right? And what customers are looking for is high quality, right? I've always seen people throughout many years, looking at wide format graphics, they'll get a loop and they'll look at it and go, no, you gotta stand back 20 feet. Well, now you can actually, with the Colorado 1640, you can actually get on top of it with the loop and you can actually see the fine detail in the dots. This will print up to 32 mil thickness of material. It has to be a flexible material, it can't be rigid. But once again, this still allows you additional applications that you can do. The durability of the inks, not only does it pop and is high vibrancy and high quality, but the durability of the inks themselves are unique in this marketplace. You can actually take acetone and wipe a Sharpie or marker off. In fact, let me illustrate this here. I'm gonna actually draw a mustache on this image right here. I think it's Marilyn Monroe. And I'm gonna take some acetone right here and wipe it off. And wow, you see that? High durable images are important too, because once your artist actually designs this graphic, the image, they don't want it destroyed by the public, right? And these often go in public venues and public places where these types of things can actually happen. So being able to have durable graphics is important, as the high vibrance and saturation of those. The UV gel ink itself is very unique because it doesn't coalesce. I don't know if that's a term that a lot of customers may know, but what it does is it doesn't muddy up the colors, and that's what gives us those high saturated, vibrant images. Also, it's the speed, throughput, and productivity. It's completely unique about this product. But the applications that customers are finding is that they're able to get consistent color from roll to roll, job to job, and that's month after month. We were at a trade show recently, and we had what we call the WOW image, right? Which is the world of wall covering. And wall decor is going to be very popular in coming to the market, especially as you look at how the big box stores are starting to downsize. I think there's going to be more pop-up opportunities for pop-up, either restaurants or pop-up stores. I mean, you're starting to see seasonal stores do the same thing. Well, what do they need? They need to brand and decorate. So that's going to be a great opportunity for anybody that's designing and building those types of concepts and producing them on the Colorado 1640.
Something that you guys talk about a lot is really how fast this machine goes. Now, as me as a print customer, you guys saying it prints 63 meters, that doesn't really mean anything to me. But this can really respond to a pop-up store. I need it next week. I need it tomorrow.
Correct. I need it today. I need it tomorrow, right? Turnaround times, as we all know in this marketplace, right? Turnaround times are like same day, right? I think we live in what I call an I need it now society. Cell phones help facilitate that, don't they? Well, it transitions into the print market as well, and even the designers. So once the designers get their images and everything done, well, now it's up to the print service provider to actually produce that type of work. And so being able to print fast, but yet still have that high quality and still have that true saturation of color and durability is critical in this marketplace. And that's the true differentiator behind this product. This product really is, our customers and clients call it the game changer. Every time they come into the CEC and they see the product run, they say, I had an aha moment. I had an epiphany. Wow, this is the next greatest thing that's out there in the marketplace. And it is because it delivers all the benefits that I mentioned before, speed, throughput, productivity, but it's also very easy to operate. And it even sends remote alerts to the operator to let him know what's going on with the equipment wherever he is throughout the shop, or even if he's sitting at home. So a unique thing that we developed for the Colorado 1640 is two-sided printing. And this inspiration came from a lot of clients and customers because they want to perform, they want to do two-sided printing, but they haven't been able to do it very effectively and efficiently up until this point in time. And what are those applications? Okay, they're store banners that you see, and they don't want to print one banner and then stitch it and seam it and have two sets of material on each side. They want to print two-sided and then just stitch it on the top and the bottom. You'll see these in municipalities, right? When you drive down the street, you see the banners that are all lined up along the light poles. That's a great application. Same with in-store decor, right? When they're doing the banners and so forth, you'll see those, and those are printed two-sided. So that's a key application. What makes the Colorado really unique in being able to perform so well at two-sided is that we use LED cohering, okay? There's no heat applied to the material. What that means is the material doesn't shrink, distort, or warp. Other technologies that are out there in the market have that issue, right? Where the Colorado 1640 does not, so it gives you really accurate front to back registration. Other things that are completely unique is the UV gel technology. And the gel, what does that mean? Okay, it doesn't coalesce, it doesn't mix. It's kind of like hair gel or toothpaste. You squeeze out white toothpaste and red toothpaste. They don't mix. You have to swirl them together. Well, it's the same thing that happens here. We're able to put a dot down and the inks don't mix together, which means we can get repeatable color. Repeatable color as well as efficient and fast and high speed color as well. We can print at speeds, of course, up to 430 square feet per hour. That's our high quality mode. You can go all the way up to banner production mode, which is 1,710 square feet per hour. Wow. That's better than a drag strip, right? It's like put it in gear and let's go. So yes, you have all these applications and really depends on the mode on which application actually fits each mode. It's very efficient on the ink consumption. Customers are really blown away. I think one thing that's really hard to quantify when you're speaking to a customer until they get the product in their shop is the time savings. The automation that's built behind the system. You can sit there and you go blah, 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 and they go, yeah, yeah, yeah. But they get in their shop and they're absolutely blown away.
The OSE Arizona is a true stationary flatbed printer, unlike a hybrid that moves the media through the printer. The media on this printer stays stationary during the whole printing process. And that allows you to do some other cool things like print on irregular shaped items, whether that's a pre-manufactured piece of something, or you can pre-cut your pieces and save time while you're waiting to get onto the press and then print onto those irregular shaped items.
When we were at the advertising agencies, they were really amazed that you could put like 100 things on a flatbed printer like the Arizona and then cut them out.
Exactly. That really demonstrates the close viewing capability of the image quality now. It's gotten so good where you can produce small items, plentiful, like covering the whole table, and then cut them up later and use them for close viewing applications. And that's only because the quality of flatbed printing has improved so much over the years.
Well, at Canon, what we want you to know is that we have a total solution. That's what we like to talk to you about. We not only help you with the sales support at the beginning, we have the support behind you. We have over hundreds of years of experience in all different parts of this business in our company, in our division. We also have cutting and laminating. We're able to sell you the entire package. So if you buy something from us, you're able to get that support through the beginning to the end, and we can show you exactly what you need to do in order to finish the project.
Why you'd want to use a Canon shop? Definitely we have the equipment to provide a very wide range of applications, whether it's roll-to-roll like the OSE Colorado 1640 or the true stationary flatbeds like the Arizonas. And we have digital finishing as well, so you can create complex shaped pieces quickly, efficiently, and very good quality.
You know, I know our message is Canon see impossible, but see the possible, right? See the possibilities behind this product. So you really need to experience the product firsthand to really see what it brings to the market, right? And how it can actually differentiate your business and differentiate your designs and your graphics and your images that you want to produce.